Hello students, this is your computer teacher here. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, stepwise gathering of information. Stepwise gathering means to collect the information on any topic. So there are some steps which we have to follow to gather any information. The first step is you have to identify the goal and state it clearly. Like for any task, discuss about the task with your partners and identify the goal and also state it clearly. Now the next step is analyze the goal and identify the requirements of the subtask. First you are going to divide the main task into the subtask, and for each subtask you have to find out the requirements for it. Now the third step is identify the information required to accomplish each subtask. Now you have to gather the information required for each subtask and classify the information being gathered into categories. Now fourth step is identify the resources. Resources means the sources from which you get the information, like libraries, internet, places related to that task or the people. The fifth step is you have to record the information in a notebook. While finding the information from the peoples or while finding the information from resources, you have to enlist all that information in your notebook. Now, the last step is consolidate and organize the information gathered from various resources. Consolidate means to combine all the information which you gather in the above 5 steps. So, for any topic, if you want to gather any information, then you must follow these 6 steps. First, identify the goal and state it clearly. Second, analyze the goal and identify the required for each subtask. Third step, identify the information required to complete each subtask. Fourth step, identify the resources that provide you the information. Fifth, record the information in your notebook. And sixth, combine all the information which are gathered in above 5 steps. So, let's take an example. Suppose you have to plan an outdoor summer camp for your class. So, the first step is to identify and state the goal. Here, the goal is to plan an adventurous outdoor summer camp for the class. The second step is to analyze the goal and identify the requirements. So, this task is divided in the 5 subtasks. They are: you have to plan for the booking tickets, send a notice to the parents, then fill the student registration form and collect the fee. Prepare a camp activity schedule. Then create a list of things that to be carried. Then prepare a list of frequently asked questions asked by the parents with their answers. The third step is identify the information required to accomplish the task. So first, plan for booking tickets. Here you have to gather the information like duration, date of travel, mode of transportation, best time for traveling, day or night. So for send a notice to the parents, you just write about the camp detail. Add an annexure form to be filled by the parents. Then for filling the student registration forms and collection of the fees, you have to create a registration form, collect fees, maintain a record of the number of students and total fee collection. Now, prepare a camp activity schedule like swimming, trekking, watching, mountaineering, and documentary. Then, create a list of things to be carried like sleeping bags, flashlights, medicines, clothes, trekking, shoes, towel, toothbrush, and these such things you have to list it down. Then, prepare a list of frequently asked questions for the parents. The fifth step is gather and record the information from the identified resources in a notebook. Then, sixth step, consolidate and organize the information gathered from the various resources. Like here, parents were inquired regarding the personal details of their child and to deposit the required fee amount. From the student side, student seems to be very excited regarding the summer camp, and teachers helped out in all the aspects like in the field of planning and booking of hotels and all these things. I hope this video help you out to gather the information on any topic.